As Israel's ground invasion on Gaza gathers pace, Israel's military have called Hamas leader Yahya Sinwar a dead man walking, as hunt for him appears to be on, describing him as Palestine's Osama bin Laden. A spokesperson for the Israeli Defense Forces said that he is the face of evil. Sinwar, responsible for the day-to-day governance in Gaza, is believed to be hiding within the intricate network of tunnels utilized by Hamas militants to conceal arms, combatants, and hostages, as disclosed by Israeli officials. However, he had been a marked man long before the coordinated terrorist assault by Hamas militants on kibbutzim, music festivals, and city streets on October 7th. He is the mastermind behind this, like bin Laden was. He built his career on murdering Palestinians when he understood they were collaborators. That's how he became known as the Butcher of Khan Yunis. We will not rest till we find him and kill him. That man and his entire team are in our sights, the IDF said. Sinwar is a US designated terrorist who heads the Hamas currently controlling the Gaza Strip. He served 2 years in prison and was the most senior Palestinian prisoner freed among 1,026 others in a 2011 prisoner exchange for IDF soldier Gilad Shalit, who had been held hostage by Hamas for 5 years. Born in a Gaza refugee camp in the early 1960s, Sinwar joined Hamas after it was founded in 1987, gaining a reputation for brutality after he reportedly helped to form the militant group's internal security force. He was captured by Israel just 2 years later and sentenced to life imprisonment for his role in killing Israeli troops and Palestinian collaborators. But being behind bars did not stop him from rising through the ranks of the group, and it also gave him the opportunity to learn to speak Hebrew, the language of his enemies. Sinwar was released in 2011, one of more than 1,000 Palestinians freed in exchange for one Israeli soldier, Gilad Shalit, who was taken hostage by Hamas and held for 5 years. In the years after his release, Sinwar rose to the ranks of Hamas, particularly within its military wing. In 2015, Sinwar entered the US list of wanted international terrorists. A US Department of State document announcing Sinwar's designation as terrorist says he is known for his role in founding the forerunner of the Izz-e-Din al-Qassam brigades, the military wing of Hamas. In 2017, Sinwar was elected as the head of Hamas in Gaza. Sinwar is number 2 in the Hamas leadership after Ismail Haniyeh, head of the organization's political bureau. Israel has accused Sinwar of masterminding the attacks on Israeli cities last weekend. Earlier, the Israeli military said that it had killed 2 other Hamas commanders amid the ongoing war. On Sunday, the military said that it killed another Hamas commander who led the murderous attacks on the 2 Israeli border villages of Nirim and Niroz. Over 3,200 people have been killed from both sides amid the ongoing war between Israel and the Hamas militant group ever since the latter attacked Israel on October 7th. In retaliation, Israel attacked Gaza with airstrikes, killing 2,329 Palestinians and injuring over 9,000. Meanwhile, according to the IDF, over 1,300 Israelis have been killed, while 279 of its soldiers have died in the conflict. Earlier on Sunday, the Israeli Defense Forces gave an indication that they are ready for a ground offensive. However, they said that the war was against the terror group Hamas and not against the people of Gaza.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.